here, and I'm going to go through these issues as quickly as possible. I would also ask you to pass the word on. This is going to be a very busy election. I'm sure we'll hear more about this. One of the first issues that you need to know about is some of the issues are contested. They are on the ballot, however, because the absentee ballot had to be printed 35 days to enable people to vote 35 days by absentee ballot. So at least issue 1 is contested. Depending on the outcome of that, we will hear from there. It is on the ballot, as I said, and if the contesting prevails and it doesn't end up on the ballot, then the votes won't be counted. So just pay attention to that. But I will go quickly through it, even if it is on the ballot. Issue 1 is a proposed referendum on amended substitute Senate Bill number 7. These are all very torturous issues, so if you don't understand them, please raise your hand. What this ballot language talks about is certain provisions in this Senate bill which would change procedures for determining the amount of compensation that may be received for wage losses. It allows workers' compensation and benefits to be awarded to victims of sexual assault. It would prohibit certain prisoners from receiving workers' compensation and benefits while confined. It would exempt addresses and phone numbers from Ohio Public Records Law. It allows employers and sheltered workshops for injured workers with traumatic brain injuries. And it would improve the ability to settle workers' compensation claims under certain conditions. That's part of the ballot language. And the issue is, shall these issues prevail? What happens is, several years ago, the Senate and the House in Ohio passed a workers' compensation bill that was aimed at reducing fraud, both in the administration and in the application for workers' compensation benefits. Some of the provisions of that law were contested. We will be voting on the contested portions of the amended substitute Senate Bill number 7. If you vote yes, the contested provisions will prevail. If you vote no, the contested provisions will be removed. And the remaining of the law will continue on. Those who say to vote yes on issue 1 say that it will improve the system where injured workers receive needed care and return to work more quickly. It would fix current laws in the system that result in waste, fraud, and abuse, and it would stop those who prey on injured workers by protecting workers' privacy by removing their addresses from public record. Those who say vote no on this issue say that this would cut the time a claim remains open for payment, compensation, and medical benefits from 10 years to 5 years. It would reduce non-working wage loss compensation from 200 to 52 weeks, and it would reverse some Supreme Court cases that ruled in favor of granting workers rights and benefits. So that is issue 1. There's much more information available on the website, either at the Secretary of State's website or at several websites. If you do a search, you can get information about that.